I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create an Airtable form. First, open your Airtable base and navigate to the specific table where you want to collect data. Look for the Forms option, usually found in the View switcher, and click it to start building. You can then choose to begin with a pre-built template or opt for a blank form to design from scratch. This initial step sets the foundation for your data collection. Once you have your form open, it's time to customize the fields. Simply drag and drop existing fields from your table directly onto the form canvas. You can easily rearrange their order to create a logical flow for your users. Don't forget to add clear, concise labels and helpful descriptions to guide respondents. Also, adjust individual field settings, such as making certain fields required or adding placeholder text, to ensure accurate data capture. With your form designed, it's time to share it with your audience. Airtable provides a direct link you can distribute, or you can embed the form seamlessly into your website. Enhance your form's professionalism by customizing its appearance with your brand's colors and logo. For more advanced use cases, consider setting up pre-filled fields to streamline submissions or configuring a redirect URL after form completion. These features offer greater control and a polished user experience. Before going live, always test your Airtable form extensively to confirm everything works as expected. Submit a few test entries to check field validation and data flow into your base. Review your submission settings, including any email notifications you wish to receive upon new entries. This ensures you're alerted promptly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Optimizing your form guarantees a smooth experience for both you and your respondents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.